This is the copy trading result of one of our VIP copy trader who copies our trade on a daily basis by using the social trading feature of Pocketoption. And this is the exact strategy that we are using to trade binary options inside Pocketoption, and other VIP copy traders are copying our trade in an easy way. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact strategy that I'm using to do copy trading in my VIP copy trading channel. And you can use it for yourself to trade binary options in a profitable way inside Pocketoption. But if you also want to copy our trade and reach to the state where it is impossible for you to lose while trading binary options, then you can join our free Telegram channel and see the instruction in that free Telegram channel how you can join our VIP copy trading channel, and you can also copy our trade on automatic and easy way. In our free Telegram channel, you can also receive some free binary signals that you can use to trade binary options in a profitable way. Watch this video till the end to get the strategy that I am using in this exact video.